Battery on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Just make sure when you're going ahead with it, you connect the jumper pack so it doesn't lose its memory. As you can see, the battery is not in the engine bay. It's just behind this seat here. So just move the seat forward and tilt it forward. Battery is, there we go. Make sure you disconnect the negative first, which is this one, and the positive over there. Then you can pull it out. Okay, so disconnected the negative terminal, so just loosen it up, pull it out. Yep. And then if you can't reach the positive at the back, try to pull the battery forward towards you. Down here there's a 13mm 13mm socket to get those bolts out. A bit rusty, so spray some WD-40, loosen it up, and then you can take the bracket out. Then you can pull this battery out and then take that red terminal at the back off. That makes it easier if you can't reach it. That's the battery unloaded from the Jeep. As you can see, it's a AGM, so you make sure you put an AGM battery for the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2013 model. Battery's in. Press the brake and start the button. Make sure you got the key. There you go. And then save. Car starts. Back to business. Let's just make sure you do a alternator test. Alternator's good, charging, but just lights on, so you got a load on, so the lights are on. Unloader test together with the alternator, and then another one with the turn on the headlights. That way give it a good indication of how good the charging system is. Voltage normal, all good.